Hey, we gotta keep cleaning. We still have to finish this room. You like your couch there? Should we keep it there? Is that a yes? And I know Luzca likes to sit there and watch outside. That's her spot. So let's go. Let's finish this. Oh, here comes big boy. So, we ready? We ready? Are we ready to clean? Mwah. Let's do this. Hello, friends. It's Saturday, and I have to clean the rest. You probably already saw the video of that makeover, and today I am going to finish this area. It's really crappy outside. It's snowing and it's cold, but here's the goal for today. Remember my kitchen that I'm still trying to contemplate to tear this wall down. So I have to empty the pantry, which is on this side. Okay, that's the pantry. For me to do that, I have to empty all this and find a place for all that too. My dogs are behind me. I'm gonna clean this up and see how much I can store in here. And that's the goal for today. Maybe I cleanse the walls, maybe I don't. I'm not sure. It's Saturday and it's like a very cozy day, and I had a rough week. So let's see what happens. Let's go. So I think this makes sense for me. This is the recipe that I want to show you. I'm going to cook something with this and show you. And the reason it makes sense for me is because this is the things I used to make myself salads. And here is when I make Chinese foods, or I want to have a night where I make sushi with my kids. So I already bought this stuff. Back there for Easter, stick around because we're gonna make coquito and I'm gonna show you the recipe that I know, and I think this makes sense for me. On this day, the weather outside was horrible. The winds were very strong. It started snowing. It was really cold. I couldn't open my windows. As I said in the intro, I had a rough week and I was just exhausted. My body was just tired, but I wanted to spend the rest of the weekend with a clean home. My mood is very often attached to the state of my outside, and when the house is a mess, it overwhelms me even more. And I pulled through. It took all day to clean, and you'll see that I'm gonna do a very deep clean in all these areas, and at the end I accomplished the goal. So stay to the end so you could see it. But it was rough, and sometimes we feel like that. And if you ask me, well, what motivated you, Mariana? Honestly, it was just my peace of mind. I was looking forward to just chillax on Sunday and just see, and knowing that my house was finally clean, deep spring clean, at least the three areas downstairs. If you haven't seen it so far, I did 3 deep clean spring editions, and I hope you watch those. But if you haven't, I hope that this video motivates you enough for you to go and tackle an area in your house. And also, if you're enjoying this video, I hope that you subscribe, because in the next upcoming Sundays, all the way until the week before Easter, I'm going to be sharing with you things that I'm going to be cooking in my house. Easter, it's one of my favorite holidays. And so I figured, let me share with you the desserts that I'm going to be making and the type of foods that I'm going to be sharing with my friends and family. Usually Easter, it's spent here in my house. So this is another reason why it was so important for me to try to do this spring cleaning. In case we're not able to go outside on Easter, we could stay inside and it's clean and cozy. And you know that feeling when you know you have people coming over. So that also excites me and motivate me. And I don't want to wait until the end. So make sure you subscribe. And I would love to have you part of this family and this community of YouTube that I love. And what do I love most about YouTube is that we motivate each other. I learn so much from you and from other YouTubers and content creators. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you being here and supporting me in my journey, in my learning. And you teaching me and encouraging me. You encourage me. You help my mental stability. You give me a reason every week. You truly do. And for that, I cannot thank you enough for hanging out with me. And yeah, so let's keep cleaning. Let me tell you about this Cham Cham roller. If you have a pet, I cannot encourage you enough to go and get this Cham Cham. I was like blown away at the effectiveness of it. And see, as you could see, I have the two German Shepherds, which are my daughters, but basically they spend most of the day with me because my daughter, she works and she's in college, etc., etc. Then we have two other dogs that are very old, a Poodle and a Jitsu, who the Jitsu is really, really old. And so the hair, especially now because the two German Shepherds are changing hair, it is ridiculous. And I always try to find ways to get the hair out. And if you ask me what is the best thing, is this. Number one, because I know that most of us use the sticky rollers, the one that you use to pick up lint from your coats and stuff like that. But see, think about this. That is more garbage that we're putting out, right? This roller is so environmental friendly. If you think about it, what is a small contribution that we can make? And it's the little things. It's the little things that make a big change. And I like this roller because there's the only garbage is not another piece of sticker, which is fundamentally paper that you're going to end up throwing in the garbage, right? You don't have to spend money every time your lint roller runs out of that sticker paper. So now you're saving money, you're helping the environment, and all you gotta do is just as you see me, you use the roller and then you take the hair out and throw it in the garbage, and it is very durable. So yeah, this videos is not a sponsor at all. These are things that I'm learning myself. But if you like it, I'm gonna link it down below for you to go get it.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not
Friend, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. As always, I am sending you virtual hugs. I pray that you are found safe and healthy, and just a reminder that you are a valuable person, and within you there's greatness, and what you have right now, it's enough for you to make great things. Never forget how wonderfully and precious you have been made, and someone right now needs you, even if you don't think so. Until next time, I love you and see you in our next video.